This week's quick tip is about a new tool in Canvas that we've turned on. It is an AI-based tool called Smart Search. To turn this on in your course, as an instructor, you'll go to Settings in the course navigation at the very bottom. Then you'll go to the Navigation tab at the top. And then you'll scroll down to find Smart Search. Once you find it, you can either click on it and drag it up to the area at the top, which is this area that is shown to students, or you can click on the three dots next to it and enable it, and it will pop it up to the top automatically, and then you can move it around to where you want it to be. Then make sure to scroll all the way down and click Save. Once you do that, you'll see Smart Search in your course menu, and you can click on it to use it. Now, how does it work? If you want the specific language of how the AI piece of it works, I'm going to read it straight from Canvas. It relies on an AI-adjacent technology called embeddings. This technology reads the course content and creates a complex mathematical representation of each piece of content. When you perform a search, this technology reads your query and converts it into a complex mathematical representation. The tool then compares the mathematical representations of both your search and the course content to return relevant results. This result is returned with a confidence rating. Because the search operates on understanding both the content and the queries, you can type in keywords, content, or just give a general gist of what you are looking for. So keyword, guitar, general question, what are the steps of photosynthesis, or a gist, math to turn a function into frequencies. Any AI tool in Canvas has a nutrition fact label that you can find on the instructor's website. This is what it looks like. This does not use the data to be trained on. It stores it content that it indexes in the Canvas database, which we have an agreement with that it is not used for anything else. It is our own. So let's look at it in action. I'm going to search for how to embed. And then it'll look through my course and it'll give me everything that seems relevant. And you can see it's given me a few things. Some things are unpublished, other things are published. And it'll give me the list of things that it has determined are pretty accurate, but it will also give you some maybe adjacent things based on your query. Now, let's look at it from the student's perspective. So this is the same course, but from a student view. I'm going to refresh so it pops up, and I click on Smart Search. I'm going to do the exact same or very similar question, and you can see the same assignments pop up, but you'll notice that the unpublished ones do not show up. So we can look at them side by side. So anything that is not available to students within the course will not show in Smart Search at all. This is a tool that will be available to both students and faculty. There's no way to turn it on just for one and not the other.